Example 3 here is we are comparing to order radicals now. So when you have this type of situation, you want to write them all as entire. Because when you have them all entire radicals, then you can compare. So this one drops into here. Okay, so you can see, I'm just showing you where they're going. All right, so let's look at 8 root 3, so this right here. So we know we take the 8 and we square it and times it by 3. We get 192. Now this is something new you haven't seen yet because we have a half here. You'll see it more in grade 12 math, but all it means is you have the square root. A half, so when you have x to the half, it's the square root of x. Okay, so you'll get really familiar with that. Okay, so now we take the 4 and we square it, and we have root 13 inside. And we go 4 times 4 is 16 times 13 is 208. Now when you have a number all by itself, well, how do you take a number and put it into a radical form? All you do is you square it. When you square the number and put the square root around it, you know it is the answer. Because if I said, what is the square root of 196? It's 14. Okay, the next one, well, we didn't have to do anything. It's already entire. Okay, the last one, we square the 10 and times it by 2, so we get 200. Now you can see that they are all entire radicals. So now it's a matter of putting from least to greatest. Okay, and here we go. First, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. And there you just organize them. All right? All right, let's organize these ones. So we know 5 becomes 5 squared, which becomes 25. The next one becomes 3 times 3 squared, which we know is 27. The next one is root 6 is entire, or is the radicand, and we square that, so we get 24. And the last one, it's already in the entire form. So now it's a matter of organizing them from least to greatest. So from least to greatest, we have number 1, that's the least, 2, and 3. Now when you answer it on the test or on a quiz or any type of question you get in the book, you'll see the answer written not as entires, but you'll see it written back into this form here. So we know root 23 is first, followed by this one, 2 root 6, followed by 5, followed by 3 root 3. All right, so that is that. All right, now let's move on to the next concept. So the next concept we are going to look at, I'll do in part B of this.